Alright. So, for this video, ipakita ko paano kayo mag-i-input ng bagong vendor sa Qlik Desktop nyo. So, dito may bago akong vendor at saka since batable na kami, so I have to ensure na malista ko talaga yung complete details. So, I go to, mag-open ako ng bill right. Saan galing yan? Dito yan sa vendor, tapos click enter bill. So, ito lalabas. So, since hindi pa siya nakalist sa database, i-click ko yung add new, tapos itatype ko yung pangalan. Okay, DynaQuest PC. Alright, tapos, siya ilalagay kong company name. Vendor name is also company name. Or pwedeng, vendor name, ang company name na nakalagay na dito is, kasi hindi mo alam no? May Synergy, siguro itong company name niya, Synergy. Tapos sabi niya, owned and operated by, this could be the Synergy Data Ventures. Inc. At Data Ventures OPC. One-person company to. Interesting. This person created, alright. And then go to, saan tayo? PIN. Okay. Copyhin siya yung first 9, 01, 08, 06, 135. Okay. And then ito, Synergy Data Ventures. Ito yung address. 146 P. Guevara. P. Guevara Street, Maytunas. 1500. City of San Juan. NCR. 2nd District. Philippines. Okay? So, yun siya. Alright? So, okay. Click natin yung okay. Parang pangalan kasi siya nilagay dito. Okay. Okay lang to. Kasi batable to eh. So, importante pag batable, nasulat yung tax. Sabihin nyo, ba't yung format ganyan? Okay lang ganyan, i-arrange nyo na lang na first 3 digit, tas puro 3, kasi sa US to eh. So, tayo, i-click natin ng konti, okay? So, okay na yan. So, we will post na, cause we buy monitor. And we will book it as expense. Ang total na binayaran is, compute natin kung tama yung computation yun ng input. Dapat may checking tayo. Ang total is 4465. Kung 4465, di-divide ko to ng 1.12. 1.12. So, siya yun. Times 0.12. Alright. So, expense out natin to. Ang capitalization policy kasi is 5,000 above. Below 5,000 to. So, ilagay natin to as an expense, as a utilized expenses. As an office expense. Where is it? Yung on. Office. Lagay natin siya as store. At sari supplies. Pero wala na kasing ibang malapit na ilalagay dito. Nandun siya mag-fall under. Sabihin natin Kasi capitalization policy is 5,000 above. Lagyan na lang natin siya as part of store. for supplies. Tapos ang amount nito is, okay, ang reference point nito, yung invoice is 0036. Tapos, ang amount na binayaran is 4465. Then, ilalagay mo dito yung, dapat lagay mo dito yung input tax. Which yung na-compute natin, 478.39. So, that means, yung difference ito is yung 3986.61. Dapat, mangga. Tama ba? Oo. 4465. Ayan, expenses. To record, store items. Store items lang naman yun. Gamitin. Tapos, identify natin yung, kasi may home office, may branch. So, lagay natin yan. So, that's it. So, that's how I record my new vendor. Alright? Thank you.